Food is ready. Enjoy the view. Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking outdoor channel. Today I will make some special menu, nasi goreng, or we call fried rice. I will add some corned beef to it and vegetable, and the top of that I will put some fried eggs. Will be great for lunch, also breakfast. I will cook my food next to the river. That's where the river is. It's gorgeous afternoon. So nasi goreng or fried rice in Southeast of Asia is very famous. This kind of street food. I have visitor going to watch me cooking. Let's say hello first. Hello. Come here. There's one more coming. It's really a beautiful spot. Nice river. The food I'm making is really simple. For sure, everyone can do as well. Let's begin making tea. Beautiful creature. Mari minum semua. Lovely Turkish tea. Not rushing. Take time and chill. Enjoy the view. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. I have some rice, corned beef, mixed vegetable, eggs, spring onion, garlic, and Spanish onion. Let's start cooking. love the smell of onion and garlic. Corned beef. Next, vegetable. Final bit is rice. In medium heat because corned beef easily can burn. Lovely. It's time to add some seasoning. Black pepper, salt, chili powder, chicken stock, little bit of soy sauce, the smell unbelievable. Give it a try. Brilliant. The flavor, seasoning, just right. To finish off, I'll make some fried egg. Just waiting for my egg. My egg is ready. Let's serve. Food is ready. Mari kita makan semua. Let's eat everyone. Very nice. And the rice I using jasmine rice. It's very tender and soft. If you finish from work and you don't have food to eat and you have rice left over from yesterday, the best way, fried rice. 5-minute preparation, the food is ready and the taste is great. Alright everyone, I hope you all enjoyed to watch this video. See you next time. Goodbye.